how to add text to your reels in the Instagram app. I'm going to have a screen recording up here so you can see exactly what I am doing. So I'll be facing my phone and showing you and walking you through adding the text to your reels. So first you're going to go to your Instagram and you're going to, oop, let's screen record, girl. I would have been pissed. First, you are going to go to your Instagram profile and you will see at the bottom, this is an Android. So on Android Instagram app, you have, it's the middle button where you will create the reel, or you can go to the top of the screen and click the third button to press add. And then you scroll over to reel and you're going to record a reel. So I'm just going to do a simple reel of hey. So here we go. What is it? So, and then I am going to, if you wanted to go back and check what that reel looked like, I'm going to press next just to make sure it's something that I want. And that is fine with me. So then you click next and you will click at the top. There should be buttons and you're going to click the letters. And they do have different fonts for you to choose, but just to keep it simple, because I'm going to be doing a detailed tutorial reel series of adding text and fonts and adding them at different time and breaking it up into separate YouTube videos so it's more digestible for you. So now we're in the app. I'm just going to put, hey, my name is Exandria. Or hey, I'm Exandria. Well, let's do, hey, my name is Exandria. And I want it to be just a simple, I like this one, so we're going to do this. Hey, my name is Exandria. And then that is how you add a font to a reel. Thank you for watching.